Let's talk about our Geon professional coating line today. We have 3 professional coatings available from Geon that are exclusive to us as a professional installer with our detailing studio here. We have the Flash, which is a 3-year or 10-year warranty product. What's the difference between a 3-year and a 10-year warranty? The 3-year warranty is if you have us install it, you never see us again. If you come back to us every 2 years or 12,000 miles, whichever's first, we can warranty it for 10 years. As we step up, we have Mohs and Duraflex. These are 5-year or lifetime warranty products. That's under the Geon Infinity program. Same conditions apply. We install this for you. We never see you again. You have a 5-year warranty on it. If you come back to us every 2 years or 12,000 miles, whichever's first, that's a lifetime warranty on these products. Another difference between Flash versus Mohs and Duraflex, Flash is 1 coat, 1 product. The Mohs and the Duraflex product, 2 coats. Base coat and then a top coat. We recommend the Mohs to somebody that's a daily driver, commuter, that really is super durable, going to be super easy to clean, higher self-cleaning properties. The Duraflex we recommend to our car enthusiasts, that guy or gal, you got a Corvette, a Ferrari, a Porsche that lives in the garage. This has really nice tight beading characteristics. We believe it's a little glossier, and it's super slick, so it feels like it's always waxed. Talk to us, we'll help you out. We'll get you into the right coating that's what you need for your car. Another point of consideration for the warranties when you're researching, selecting your paint professional, ceramic coating installer, ask them about the warranties. Ask them what is required to get the warranty. You know, we hear 5-year, 9-year, 12-year, lifetime warranties. Unfortunately, some of those companies require annual maintenance, which is fine and great, but they should be upfront when they tell you that you need to come back every year and have this maintenance done, or the warranty is reduced or invalidated at that point. So 3-year, 10-year warranty, 5-year lifetime warranty. If we can help you out, contact us today at immaculately paint protection.com.